Hey guys, welcome back to the backyard. We gave you a sneak peek of what we were doing back here a little while ago, and now I wanted to show you the finished product. So the homeowner has obviously finished everything, all the landscaping is done. So now I want to show you what those Paradigm G06 speakers look like when they're sitting in the garden in the mulch. They kind of just disappear right into the landscaping. You can see that we have the one there, and then we have that 10-inch subwoofer buried in the ground in the back corner over here. So that's going to work with the fence around it, and it's going to just encapsulate that bass and send it out through the backyard. Then along the other side, you can barely see that speaker sitting between the trees there. It just blends right in. And if you notice, the speakers are made out of the same material as the landscape lighting, so it just seamlessly works together. Coming down to this side, this is the formal dining area of the backyard. We have a couple more speakers, that subwoofer, everything's just living within the garden. You don't have to maintain these speakers at all, guys. They will sit out year round. There's some covers that come with it that you can stick on there if you want to, but you really don't need to. Throughout the winter, they'll stay there as well as the summer. So coming down here, we have their little shed in the backyard. This is where we stuck a couple Sonos amplifiers. So those Sonos amplifiers we have separated into zones. So we can have just the gazebo area running, or we can have just this fire pit area that's going to be down here, this lounge area at the lower level. If we come back up here, I'll show you what I mean. So if we talk about the Sonos app, we're in the Sonos app here. You can see right now that we have the multiple zones. They're all grouped together, but we can have those all individually controlled, volume levels at different levels, so that way the backyard can have a nice seamless sense of audio throughout the whole space. Okay, thanks guys for taking this tour of the backyard. If this is something that interests you, call me at the store, and this is something I can help you design, plan, and implement in your backyard. So thanks for taking it outside with me today.